How to install offline language pack for keyboard voice input on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down, scroll down and click on Voice Input. After click on Voice Input, click on Offline Language Packs. So if you want to install offline language packs, so click on Install Offline Languages Packs. So you will install language from here. So you will select language and click on this icon. After click on this icon, few according to your internet connection languages install and showing here. So you will select. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install offline language packs for keyboard voice input on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.